Hey, today I should be more paying attention to not wearing my hat in the house. Get out of here. So today, on the cooking channel, in the kitchen, what we're gonna do, it's not a bourbon, it's not a burgers, but what is a very important thing to have all the time? That's right, my friends, it's coffee. Everybody likes to have a coffee. Shake and bake, shake and bake. So, you need a French press, you love it. We like the Bodum, okay? You can see the brand name maybe, the Bodum. I love it. You squeeze it. That's how it works. You squeeze it. Okay, we got the coffee. We got the French press, the Bodum. You like it? You like it. I like it a lot. We give it a little squeeze. Then we got this guy. One of these guys is all you need. Okay, one thing you gotta have with coffee, okay? You cannot make it a coffee without a water. Okay, fill them up. What are we gonna do? We go to a 5.5 liter. Why? Efficiency, my friends, efficiency. That's it, that's all you need for the little French Bodum, the French press. You plug them in and come back in a little while. Ding, ding. Now, my friends, is the moment of the truth. The exact measurement required to make the perfect cup of coffee, the Java, every time. Watch this. Open this. Take this out. Take this out. Okay. You're gonna have 1 heaping tablespoon, I think it is better to say, because it's a tablespoon, and we're going to drop them in. Okay. A little bit more for this guy, just a little bit. And this guys is a coarse grind. For this Bodum, coarse grind, so she gives a nice squeeze. Put it in, drop it back, boom, ready to go. Next step coming up right now is called introduction of the hot water, the bubbly water. You know what the opposite of being so cool is? Being so damn hot. Okay, let's go. Get it nice and moving around. I like to introduce the water with a little bit of violence and pour like a Niagara Falls or like a Great Falls or something, you know, like a lot of push, high amperage, okay? High voltage, high amperage. Boom. Put the lid on. Carefully, you don't want to spill it. And now, wait. I know you can buy coffee a lot of places, but sometimes it's better to buy it at home because it's cheaper. So if you enjoy to save a little bit of cheaperness and you like to have a good coffee that you can control, just make it at home. Now it's time to squish. Oh, that's nice. And a pour right away. Oh my goodness. 1 sec. You gotta have some nice cream. This is it, okay? 35% cream. There's no messing around with this one. The ingredients must say, simply and only, cream and a skim milk. No carrageenine, no nothing like that. And all you need is a little dollop. That's it. We stir them up. Stir them up real nice, just like that. You know what's coming next? It's time to taste it. You can taste the coffee a lot of places, you know. On the porch. In bed. In the tub. Outside in the backyard is a great nature. During the fancy yoga sessions. She's the best outside too. Then you enjoy it. Oh, it's the best. You can see the steam coming up, I think. I get out of the way. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. Come on, can you see it? Oh, you can see it now. She's going to fog up the lens. She's going to fog it up. Anyway, enjoy the coffee. She's steaming up in my kitchen and on my face. Makes a nice feeling on the face of the steam. I like it. Anyway, thanks for watching my video on how to make coffee. That's it. Like and subscribe if you like it. I'm just starting out. I don't have too many videos, but I'm working on them. So thank you very much. And by the way, I don't talk like that. I talk like this. But it seems to be a thing I started, so maybe I'll keep it going. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll get some backlash and some haters and all that good stuff. So anyway, that's all for now. Till next time in the kitchen with the cooking channel in the kitchen, I guess is what it's called. We'll talk to you later.